So these are some of the footages that we got from the farm where we're getting the goldfish that we're selling. So ito, mga pearl scale na breeder size. So ang lalaki nila guys. These are some of the Buffalo Ranchos, red and white, mga 4 inches na siguro to yung body or 3 inches. This one, I think almost 5 inches na yung size ng body niya. Super laki yan, ang ganda ng wen at saka yung curve nila. Super excited kami to see all of this swimming freely on the pond. We call it freely, kahit hindi naman super free. So, another breeder size that we saw. So, there are 2 na red and white and almost lemon head na siya. And then, we also see some cow ranchos na breeder size. Ito very rare na makakita ka sa Pilipinas ng mga breeder size na cow rancho. Usually, nasa Thailand lang sila. So, hindi kami pumili because it's too expensive and we don't think mabebenta namin siya ng sa price niya. So, start lang kami from 2K to max 3K. Ito, hindi na natin maa-afford, guys.